Welcome back everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the ear pads on a Bose QC35. So inside there's clips on the outsides holding the ear pad in. So if you kind of go underneath and pry it back, it'll pop out right from those clips and you can pull it out, and you do this to both sides. Next, you will grab your new pair of ear pads, which in this case these are well, so we will put these back on. You just look at them, you find the center, and I usually start from the top and work my way slowly around the unit, clipping it in one clip at a time. And to clip it in, you just kind of pull back right where the clip is, and it just snaps right into place. And you just work your way around the unit. This is the same on both sides, so there's no need technique for you to learn. You just keep working it around until each clip is seated on there. You have one done, and you just repeat the process on the other side. Start at the top, and slowly work your way around, ensuring each clip secures the ear pad. That way you don't have any issues with sound. And then that's it, you're done. I usually like to take a look around, kind of pull the ear pad back, make sure there's no bumps in the seating. Oh, and there you go, you can see we missed the clip. And just check both sides to ensure everything is properly secured. And that's it. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment. If you have any questions for us, feel free to ask below. Have a great day.